Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video, I am going to show you latest updates in Microsoft Teams. So first, let us open the Microsoft Teams. So here you can see the Microsoft Teams icon on my desktop. So let me select that. So once you select that, let us start the new meet. Here you can see on the right hand side, I have started the new meet here. So this is the new update in Microsoft Teams. A new window opened. You can see before joining into your meeting, you can set all these settings. Towards your left side, you can see the camera. You can turn off your camera in case if you don't want to join the meeting using your camera on. And then you can even set the background filters also before joining into your Microsoft Teams meeting. So let me select one good background. So here you can see I have changed the background also. In case if you want to change the background, you can use this feature. So let me go with zero background or no background. Now next one you can see here, computer audio. If you select this computer audio, the audio which you are going to play in your computer will be shared. And here you can see custom setup. Under this you can set up your microphone and speakers and camera. Say for example you have 2-3 output devices, speakers. You can select one out of those according to your convenience. And microphones also, I am using only one input here for audio. If you have headset, then you can change according to your need. And camera also, if you have multiple cameras, you can select which camera you want to use in Microsoft Teams meeting. So this is about the computer audio setup and custom setup. Even you can mute your microphone before entering into your online meeting, and you can even decrease the audio or increase the audio according to your convenience. Now second feature here you can see room audio. Microsoft Teams has added breakout rooms feature also. Once I log into your classroom, online class or online meeting, I'll show you how to do that also. And next one, do not use audio. So if you select do not use audio, you will join muted to avoid causing audio disruptions. Okay, so let us go with the computer audio. So these are the first few features or updates Microsoft has brought into Microsoft Teams. So let us first join the Microsoft meeting. So here you can see I have joined into the Microsoft meeting. Now here you can create breakout rooms. Here this is a new feature. Here you can see on the top besides hide participants, show conversation, hand raise, this is the new feature, breakout rooms. So let us select breakout rooms, and here you can see create breakout rooms. That means like in G Suite you can also create breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So room settings, how many rooms do you need? You can select according to your requirement. So participants, how would you like to assign participants? Automatically assign 0 people into 2 rooms, 0 participants per person. That means once your participants join into the online meeting, you can assign automatically, or you can even add manually. Also add participants individually to breakout rooms. So whichever option you select, that will create the participants as well as the breakout rooms for the participants. So let me create rooms. So these are the latest updates in Microsoft Teams. There are few more updates are there in Microsoft Teams. Let me show you that. Here you can see on the right side, now assign participants. Room number 1 and room number 2 are empty. So you can select the number of participants. Once your participants or your students or your colleagues or your subordinates join into your online meeting, and you can select them into different rooms. If you are a teacher, then you can select students into different rooms and you can conduct different activities at the same time. You can be present in the main room and you can also present in the different rooms. You can make students into different groups to conduct different kinds of activities using these breakout rooms. This breakout rooms is a new feature added in the Microsoft Teams. So this is the new look and new information about breakout rooms. So you can add more rooms according to your requirement. For that you have to select add room. Microsoft Teams is very popular So here you can see you have created one more room here. The room is empty. And to your convenience, according to your requirement, you can even delete the rooms after completion of the activities. So these are the two latest updates. Now let us move to next one to know how to cut the background noise, how to pin a message in Microsoft Teams channel, and how to enable do not disturb. So these are the two features, new look in Microsoft Teams and breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams, which are very useful when you are taking online meetings or online classes in Microsoft Teams. So let me end this meeting and then let me show you what are the other updates Microsoft has brought in Teams. So let us go. Now let me show you how to pin a message in your Microsoft Teams. For example, if something important message you have posted and you want that message to be seen by everybody, then you have to select that message. See here more options and then come here and see here pin. So the moment you select pin, here you can see this message, pin this message. The message will be pinned for everyone who views the channel. That means once you select pin, this message will become important message and highlighted message, and everybody in that channel, they will see this information under the channel information settings. So here you can see show channel info. So once you select show channel info, this information will be shown for everybody in that channel. And the next update is do not disturb, and there is one more update, how to cut out the background noise. So first let me show you how to enable do not disturb feature. For that, come to your profile, select that one and come to available. See here under profile settings, select do not disturb, and once you select do not disturb, now here it is enabled. Your status is set to do not disturb. You will only get notifications for urgent messages and from your priority contacts. Now what you can even set the duration for the do not disturb also. Here you can see the duration option. So select the duration option, and here under status it is set as do not disturb, and now reset status after. How many minutes you want to keep this status for others, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, today, this week, are customized. So if you want 30 minutes, then you can set this 30 minutes. Let us see what are the other options available under customized. So once you select customized, here you can see you can select the date and you can select the timing also. So for us, let us go with 30 minutes and then select done. That means this will enable others not to disturb you during the 30 minutes duration. And one more very important feature, how to cut out the background noise when you are taking online meetings or online classes. So for that we have to, okay, let me change the do not disturb feature back to available. Okay, here you can see now I am available. Now how to cut the background noise? So for that, let us select the settings, profile picture, and then come to settings, select settings. Now here under settings you can see devices, select devices, okay, and then see here noise suppression. So what is this noise suppression? Suppress background sound that isn't speech. That means when you are taking online meeting or online classes, when somebody was talking behind you or some noise coming, then you can cut that background noise. So suppress background sound that isn't speech. See here, choose low if you want others to hear music, the noise suppression option, then you have to select this one. So it is auto default is set to for my Microsoft Teams. You have to set high if you want to cut the background noise when you are taking online meeting or online classes. Okay, so these are the latest updates. And one more feature, even use audio from different devices. See here you can see phone audio also. That means if your phone is also connected with Microsoft Teams, then you can use even phone audio also. Now I suppose you have understood. Once you have created rooms, okay, you can select room audio, search for the room. So if you have already selected the rooms, it will automatically search for the rooms, and that will enable even the audio in the rooms also. So let us go with the computer audio. So these are the latest updates in Microsoft Teams. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.